What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you best CS2 settings for low end PC. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. Open your CS2, click here this gear and go to video settings. And go here to aspect ratio and you will see widescreen 16:10. Click this and change it to normal 43. Also scroll down to resolution, click this and choose this like me. And go here apply. Make sure your display mode is not windowed, just hit it on full screen and go apply changes. And that's it all guys, just go play and enjoy your new resolution for low-end PC. You will get much FPS and your game will run smoothly. And that's it guys for this video. If you see my game is running smoothly and my FPS is higher because of these settings. And that's all guys, if this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button. I see you in next video. Bye guys.